To turn the machine on, we're going to flip the switch, pull both e-stops, wait for the screen to show that logo, and then push the green button. And then we're going to push the flashing reset. And now reference our Z, which is just another word for homing. And then reference the X. Now we're going to put our part in. Make sure there's no more than 3 inches of stick out. Tighten down all 3 jaws. Now we're going to shut the door and then type in 600 in or change our tool first to tool 2. Make sure that's selected. And then we're going to change our RPM to 600. Hit enter. And then we're going to push the forward button. And now we're going to bring our tool up to our part and face off the front. And this will be our Z0. You don't need to take a lot off, just enough to remove material across the whole face. And we're going to bring it down just past the center of the part. And then move back up and do not move in Z. I'm going to go over to the screen, stop it, and then hit Z or 0Z. Then we're going to move our tool away and then start spindle again. And then come down and make a shoulder so we can get a veneer caliper on it. And this is for the x-axis. We're going to bring it in, make sure we're taking material off the whole, around the whole thing. Then back it out in Z, don't move in X. And then we're going to stop it. Get the diameter of that shoulder. And then we're going to tack that into the X diameter. And then after we type it in, we're going to hit enter. And now both axes or the work coordinate system is set. To shut down, we gotta move it so it's not in the home position, which it's not, but we'll move it anyways. And then we'll go to the screen, click the exit button, push in both e-stops, click OK, and wait for the screen to show the logo, and then flip the switch.